Hello children, how are you? Busy with your studies? Hope you all have watched the two videos of this chapter, Northern Plains. You must have understood the chapter. Whole of the chapter is divided into three river basins: the Satluj Basin, the Ganga Basin, and the Brahmaputra Basin. The climate of this northern plains we have studied. It has extreme climate, very hot in summer and very cold in winter. And in the last topic we studied the occupation of northern plains. The main occupation of northern plains is agriculture, cattle rearing, and dairy farming. Now it's time to do exercises. The northern plains of India lie to the south of. Northern plains in India lie to the south of Himalayas. Which of the following is the main occupation of people in the region of northern plains? Bead making, pottery, shoemaking, and agriculture. The answer is agriculture. Satluj is the tributary of Indus River. Ganga, Yamuna, Indus, and Brahmaputra. The answer is Indus River. River basins that form the northern plains are Ganga Basin, Satluj Basin, Brahmaputra Basin, all these three river basins form the northern plains: Ganga Basin, Satluj Basin, and Brahmaputra Basin. The famous Bhakra Nagal Dam is built on Dash River. Which river? Satluj River. The answer is Satluj River. Then true and false. The Indus River flows through the state of Uttar Pradesh. No, the Indus River flows through the state of Jammu and Kashmir. False. This is false. The northern fertile plains have an extreme climate. Yes, true. The Indira Gandhi Canal provides water to Gujarat. Does it provide water to Gujarat? No. It provides water to which state? Rajasthan. So the answer is wrong. False. The Brahmaputra River falls into the Arabian Sea. Brahmaputra River falls into the Arabian Sea. Falls. Brahmaputra River, it starts from Tibet, then it goes through Assam Valley, and then it enters Bangladesh, and it goes to Bay of Bengal. So the answer is false. It doesn't falls in Arabian Sea. It falls in Bay of Bengal. Now, name the following. The main occupation of the people of northern fertile plains: agriculture. The famous dam built on Satluj River: Bhakra Nagal Dam. The widest river in India. The widest river in India is Brahmaputra River. The delta formed at the mouth of Ganga and Brahmaputra. This is Sundarban Delta, the biggest delta in the world. Sundarban Delta. And the name of Brahmaputra River in Tibet is Tsangpo. 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 So these are the exercises, children. If you have book, then do these exercises in book. Otherwise, I will send you a PDF of the chapter as well as of question answers tomorrow. You go through that PDF and do the exercises. Question answers you have to do in the notebook, and then you can start learning the chapter. Okay, children? So these are the exercises. Hope you all have understood the chapter. Thank you.